Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best telescope for beginners you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best telescope for beginners on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which telescope for beginners are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is OE's 70mm telescope. If all you want in your first telescope is something quick and easy, the OE's 70mm telescope is there when you need it. The lightweight refractor telescope has everything you need to look at the moon and stars and can be set up in minutes. The carrying case makes travel convenient. Bring it along to outdoor picnics or keep it in your car if you spot any UFOs on your commute. The included phone adapter will let you quickly post cosmic visions to all your social media friends, adding to the easy breeze causal nature of this fun, inexpensive telescope. It's lightweight and stress-free. The astronomical telescope features 400mm focal length and large 70mm aperture, fully multi-coated optical glass with high transmission, creating stunning images with increased brightness and clarity. This telescope is quick and easy to set up. Comes with a phone adapter with 10mm eyepiece for you to capture the amazing images and share with your family. The lightweight telescope with adjustable tripod can be packed up in the custom backpack. Grab it and go anywhere. Reliable and friendly customer service in 24 hours. We offer lifetime warranty. Please feel free to contact us if any problem with the quality of the telescope, and we will respond with solutions or arrange a replacement for you to make sure you are satisfied. For details, let's watch more. Our second best telescope for beginners is Celestron Nexstar 130 SLT computerized telescope. If you're looking for your first go-to telescope, this is an affordable place to start. The Celestron Nexstar is the best computerized telescope for beginners. Just give yourself time to learn the ins and outs before trying to locate your own comet. The controls are more user-friendly than other go-to mounts. And Celestron's own skyline setup is as easy as aiming at any 3 bright points in the sky. You'll get clear, bright views of objects even at high magnification. The included eyepieces are adequate and upgrades are available if you want to dig deeper into the cosmos. The Celestron Nexstar 130 SLT is a computerized telescope that offers a database of more than 40,000 stars, galaxies, nebulae, and more. The telescope locates your object with pinpoint accuracy and tracks it. Compatible with 2-inch eyepieces. This telescope for adults and kids to be used together is ideal for weekend camping trips or excursions to dark sky sites. Its compact form factor makes it easy to transport and assemble just about anywhere. Celestron's proprietary sky align procedure has you ready to observe in minutes. Simply center any 3 bright objects in the eyepiece and the Nexstar SLT aligns to the night sky, ready to locate thousands of objects. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Celestron 70mm Travel Scope. The Celestron brand is a dependable option for beginner telescopes. This refractor scope is powerful enough to see the rings of Saturn. But don't expect Hubble quality images. For looking at the moon or scanning the sky on a lazy summer night, it does a fine job. The lightweight scope is perfect for road trips and comes with its own travel bag. And if you get tired of the cosmos, it works well as a nature telescope for birdwatching and sightseeing. The Celestron 70mm travel scope features high-quality, fully coated glass optics, a potent 70mm objective lens, a lightweight frame, and a custom backpack to carry it all. Its quality is unmatched in its class and against competitors. This refractor telescope is equipped with a large 70mm aperture objective lens that provides enhanced, brighter views compared to the 50mm model while adding very little additional weight. Setting up and using the travel scope is quick and easy. This Celestron telescope and full-height tripod can be taken anywhere in the included travel backpack. Accessories also include a free download of one of the top consumer-rated astronomy software programs. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Celestron 22030 Travel Scope. This beginner telescope gives viewers a great look at planets and the moon. It can even pick up the far-off Andromeda Galaxy with surprising clarity. The custom carrying case keeps everything organized, a big plus for teens who don't yet appreciate the art of proper storage. And the telescope has a smartphone mount so users can snap quality pics without needing additional adapters. It's also great for spotting wildlife here on Earth, something reflector telescopes have trouble with. Though not ideal for more seasoned astronomers, the price point and quality make it perfect for teens or adults new to the hobby. This refractor telescope is equipped with a large 80mm aperture objective lens that provides enhanced, brighter views compared to the 70mm model while adding very little additional weight. Setting up and using the travel scope is quick and easy. Last in our top 5 best telescope for beginners list is Orion Starblast 4.5 Astro Reflector. Orion Starblast is a blast. For folks who want to explore astronomy without breaking the bank, this is a gem of an option. The optics of the Starblast 4.5 Astro Reflector are so good that it's also a very popular choice for more experienced amateur astronomers looking for a compact and portable telescope to use as a grab-and-go alternative to larger, bulkier mounted models that require more setup time and maintenance. With its 4.5-inch aperture parabolic primary mirror, the Starblast 4.5 Astro Reflector Telescope will wow the whole family with gorgeous wide-field views of the night sky. Fascinating craters and mountains on the moon pop out in crisp detail through the pint-sized Starblast 4.5 Astro Telescope, but the fun doesn't end there. You'll see more than just the moon with this capable reflector. On clear evenings, the Starblast 4.5 can provide pleasing views of giant Jupiter with its orbiting moons and Saturn with its stunning rings. For details, let's watch more.